Rose water is a natural hydrator that helps refresh and revitalize the skin. Spritzing or applying it can provide a cooling sensation. Rose water helps maintain the skin's natural pH balance, which is crucial for healthy skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and calming conditions like sunburn. The antioxidants in rose water can contribute to the reduction of signs of aging, promoting a more youthful appearance. Rose water acts as a natural cleanser and toner, helping remove impurities and tightening pores. The pleasant fragrance of rose water has aromatherapeutic effects, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Rose water recipe. Fresh organic rose petals, about 2 cups. Distilled water, enough to cover the rose petals. Wash the roses. Rinse the rose petals thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Trim the white, bitter portion at the base of each petal. This part can affect the taste and scent of the rose water. There are 2 methods, boiling or steeping. For boiling, place the petals in a pot, cover with distilled water, and simmer until the petals lose their color. For steeping, place the petals in a heatproof bowl, cover with boiling water, and let it cool. Once the mixture has cooled, strain the liquid to separate the rose water from the petals. Pour the rose water into a clean, sterilized glass container with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in the refrigerator for extended freshness. Use as a facial toner by applying with a cotton ball after cleansing. Mist on the face to refresh and hydrate throughout the day. Add to DIY face masks or skincare recipes for an added boost. Always ensure that the roses used are free from pesticides and chemicals. Additionally, if you have sensitive skin or allergies, it's recommended to do a patch test before applying rose water widely on the skin.